Can see a little bit better? Alright, well I got a helper here and
I didn't start it.
I think it started, ain't it? Nope. Okay, start it. Ready? You're rolling? I got a helper recording back there. And I'm going to show you how to take this net wrap out. You swing this out. And see how this roll spins. So you have to walk around here and lock this pin on that, and then you rotate that and it goes in, and you can turn this backwards then. The roll backwards and it disengages those teeth, and you can go ahead and pull this roll off. Let's go over here and we'll put this roll in this new baler, because I'm not giving them dealers my net wrap. So this is the first time I've done this on this baler. So I might have to do a little adjusting. But yes, take this, slide it on, like so. Put this on, put the washers on. So to do this, you get it all grabbed up like so. And I believe you go under this. Over top this one. Then you fold it back like so, put it in your duck bill. Take your handle and you shove it down. And you kind of just roll this back up slowly as you put it in, and you're done. Alright, well thanks for watching. Hopefully that shows you how to do it, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.
Yeah.
Bye.